Picture unwinding at the end of your day in a lush garden or cozy outdoor living space, accented by the tranquility of a beautiful decorative fountain. Add the Aquascape Faux Basalt columns to your garden and enjoy the sights and sounds of flowing water. Each column is molded from real Mongolian basalt stones and handmade in the USA using a durable fiberglass resin composite that incorporates actual stone aggregate into the surface, providing a natural appearance and texture. Real basalt stones are extremely heavy, requiring machines or multiple people to move them around. This lightweight alternative provides the look and feel of real stone basalt columns at a fraction of the weight, allowing you to carry them by hand and easily install them into position. The columns include an integrated base, helping to stabilize the basalt. The base can also be used to further secure or fasten the columns into place. Each faux basalt includes a flexible 3/4-inch plumbing assembly which installs easily into the recessed top of the fountain. The basalts are also designed to be used with 1-inch Schedule 40 PVC pipe if you desire more water flow volume. If desired, add fountain lights to illuminate the water as it rises from the fountain. 5 sizes are available: 18 inches, 24 inches, 30 inches, 36 inches, and 42 inches, each with their own unique shape and characteristics. Mix and match as desired to create unique fountains for any setting, or choose the convenient faux basalt column set of 3 landscape fountain kit with included Ultra Pump and Aqua Basin 45. If you love the sound of water in your garden and prefer a natural-looking fountain, faux basalt columns are the perfect way to create a relaxing environment for you and your guests. Join the Aquascape lifestyle and experience the serenity of the faux basalt column fountain today. At Aquascape, your paradise is our passion. We connect people to water the way nature intended. We've been creating and field testing water features since 1991 to provide you with the most reliable products at the best value.